Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set fitness goals in the MyFitnessPal Calorie Counter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and click on the Settings button. And then click on the Profile button. And at the Personal Details section, click on the Goals button. And if you scroll down a bit, you will find the Fitness Goals section, where you can set workouts and exercise calories. If you click on this, for example, you can set to adjust your calorie goal and to customize daily percentages. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.